Hi, this is Luke from Toolbox Plus. Today we have 2015 Ford Mondeo stock on the 6548. This ran from the 9th 2014 to the 6th 2020. It has an MD 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the MD 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,